Okay, let's begin right away. This is the G-2900 G-Shock watch, both from a different series but still on the same model. This is from the Lover collection G-2900LV, and this is the basic one that came in olive green colorway, which I already made a dedicated review video. So if you want to check the detail, check the video out for this. And I have another one over here which is not working, and the reason why I do all this because after I swap the battery, the watch still won't light up. So in order to find the problem, I use this watch as a donor part, and then I'm gonna swap between parts and find out if that's the problem, or just basically find the problem. I'm not sure if I could fix it yet or not. At least I could find the problem, but just by doing all this I found it already. The problem is on the circuit board. I look at the battery compartment, the display panel, and also the EL panel. Everything looks great, including the hard case. The circuit board, however, does show me a really significant difference. For example, this is the perfectly working one, and this is the damaged one, and it is missing a component right over here. This one have it, this one didn't have it, so I guess that is the only reason why this one didn't light up. I could try to desolder this and put it over here. Probably I could light it up if none of this other component is damaged, because if you look really closely you could see some sort of the battery leak residue over there, some sort of water leak as well over here. Just dropped it. Basically a lot of damage are over here. Let's see now, we have another connection issue over here. On this side, however, it looks good, but on this side it has a lot of problems. So there you have it, the reason why this watch still lights up, because of this circuit board problem. So it's all up to me now. If I want pearl white G-Shock, all I have to do is swap this thing over here, and this thing goes over here, and I'm good to go to a different colorway. Although I could just simply swap the entire piece, because their interior are exactly the same. The hard case, the faceplate, the glass, the watch panel bezel, the backplate are the same, but this part, the watch itself, I mean like literally the watch itself, are just the same. At least you guys know how the construction looks like in and out for G2900 series G-Shock watch. Now it's time for me to assemble it all back and show to you guys how to put them all together, which I'm not a fan of because of this kind of construction. It is really inconvenient, it's really annoying thing to assemble all this back in here, because it didn't have the singular clip. I mean, you're gonna need to rely on the hard case to clip all the parts into place, and it is not fun, especially if you're used to disassembling a lot of G-Shock watch. You know the way, this is the least convenient build ever. That should sum it all. Thank you very much for watching. This is Judge F, and I hope you guys learned a thing or two in this video. And